This is a 2018 Ford F-150 Supercrew XLT. This is on the Boost Auto outside running amber lights that stay on. The device that you purchase, outstanding, exactly as they show in the video for the wiring, the connection, taking it apart and putting it back together. I highly recommend it. The only additional thing I did was use a little piece of 3M tape to tape the little circuit board so it would not bounce around inside the mirror. And I've had them for a couple months and I do a lot of night driving. Outstanding. I can show you what they look like during the day, but nighttime is the best. But here's what they look like right now. There you go. That's with them staying on. It's around 6:30, 7 o'clock at night, but they even look brighter at nighttime. I highly recommend them. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. Thanks.